Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making something called tortilla with marshmallows. And yeah, it's a sweet dish, and make sure to watch to the end of the video because we make more than one and they all have different flavors and they all taste very nice. So yeah, let's start with the video. So today's we have the tortilla bread obviously, and marshmallows, and the toppings. We got more than what you could see on the screen. We got more than Nutella and chocolate. So as you can see, we start Nutella. As we go along with the video, we're gonna progress through different toppings. As you can see, we obviously put the marshmallows and the chocolate. Now we're gonna fry it. I know it looks weird, but you know, that's how the recipe goes. And believe me, it'll taste much nicer than if you didn't. Now we are going to add the third topping of the video, which is lotus. It tastes very nice, and yeah, we're just going to spread it the same as we did with Nutella, and then we're going to add the marshmallows and the chocolates. Make sure not to forget about the first one, and you don't have to do a second one if you don't want to, but we just made a second one. And yeah, just another reminder, make sure to watch to the end of the video to explore different toppings and see which one you like most. And now we're finally done with the first one, so we're going to put the second one on so we can fry as well. Now we're going to make it with banana, the fourth and final topping of the video. And yeah, you can make it with any type of fruit, but we just chose banana. You can make it with like apples, pears, but bananas just seem like a better option. So now we're putting it on, and believe me, this tastes delicious, way better than what it looks like. And now these are the final results. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this fantastic video. I hope you tried this out for yourselves, and yeah, see you in the next one.